Okay, we're going vlog style again today. Ooh, we're gonna turn that off because it's very noisy. Okay, so, oh kids, kids, it's looking good. I mean, it's dry enough to touch. It's definitely dry enough to touch. It's definitely, I'll tell you what, because we're not putting any more, there's no more paint going on it. So why don't we at least pull some of this tape off? I should have brought down my, I'm using my phone again. I should have brought down my, I actually have a proper, why can't I speak today? I have a proper tripod for it and a proper thing to hold it upstairs, but I just, anyway, here we are. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Probably not, because I'm a dummy who doesn't think things through. In today's video, I sing to you, and I point the camera in the wrong direction. That's what's happening in today's video. I'm gonna sing nonsense to you and point the camera in the wrong direction. It's gonna be so awesome. No, really, what I'm hoping to do with one hand in a continuous shot, what I'm hoping to do is, if this guitar will stop swinging back and forth, come on, one hand. Come on, one hand for the win. Can he do it, folks? Can he do it? The excitement of today's video is how deeply lazy, how lazy are you to go upstairs and get the proper tripod and do this properly? That's how lazy I am. I would yell at my kids about this. This is something I would yell at my kids about. This is something I would be watching my kids do this, and I would say to them, what are you doing? Right? And one of them would say, oh, I'm trying to make they don't make videos, but assume that they are the one making videos for the sake of this anecdote. Yeah, so this is something like something my kids would be doing. And I would walk up and go, what are you doing? And they'd be like, oh, I'm trying to make a video. And I'd be like, well, why, you have a proper tripod. Why aren't you using it? Because it's all the way upstairs. It's so lazy. Why don't you just go get the proper thing? It would be so much easier, and you wouldn't be struggling like a dummy here if you just did this properly. Look, I could see I've said that stuff to my kids. You want to know why they do it? Because they watch me do stuff like that. Right? But I'm their dad. So I have to say stuff like that. That's what my dad would have said to me. Okay? He would have said to me exactly that. Like, why don't you just go get the proper thing and do it the proper way? Why are you sitting here half-assing it when you could just do it the proper way? And I think the answer is calculated risk. Okay? I've calculated my risk here. And the calculation I've made is that I'm going to be able to do it well enough to achieve what I want. Look at me making videos. I'm so good at it. Okay? I'm so good at this making videos stuff. Okay, here's what I really want to do today. This is like a tradition with me. Okay? I need to see what it's going to look like way ahead of it being ready to be looked at. So the thing we need to do, the thing I need to be able to do here one-handed is I need to, come on girl, come on, be the one that goes through there one-handed. Why won't you just go through? Why are you being like that? There we go. Okay, I'm sorry. We're back. I needed the two hands. But now, what I want to do... Where's my parts? Where did we put the new parts, Batman? Did we bring down the new parts? I don't know if we did. All right, here we are back again. I had to go upstairs, by the way, after all, to fetch the rest of my parts, to complete the rest of my little trick here. So, here we go. Let's try this again. To complete my little trick. Okay, that's good enough. Visually speaking, we'll just put that there. Put that there. And now we have these. Come on, sit down. Oh, my paint is too... My paint is too squeaky to solve that problem. Okay, stand by. I am so smart. SMRT. Look at me making a dumb video for YouTube. Okay? But literally, this is what I would do in the old days. When I was doing this, when I wanted to have a look at what it was going to look like ultimately, long before it was done, just to get a sort of a, it's like encouragement to keep going. That's like, I've already admitted that I'm quite impatient as a person. Come on, I'm being impatient right now. Just, please. Thank you. There we go. Okay, so this is without any... We haven't done anything to the body. We haven't cut or buffed the paint or anything. This is just, it's only been spray painted. But this is ultimately what I want it to look like. And I think you will agree that that was worth the wait. That was worth the wait, wasn't it? For a little sneak peek at what it's going to look like? I think it was worth the wait. Me faffing about. Come on, look at that. That looks terrific. Oh, I'm so in love with the outcome of that. I love black plastics on a gold top. I think it looks awesome. Ever since I saw Joe Bonamassa with one, hey, and his signature one. He has a signature one that has, it's gold on the front, I think red or black on the back, but he's got black plastics. But look at that. Look at that, gang of cheers. Hey? Come on. That wins. That's W. That's common W. Okay, for old boy Nelly here.